Welcome. In front of me I have video recorder, the Xblitz Park View Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can input the SD card to this device. So at the first, as you can see in this right corner, we got the icon of the SD card, and as you can see there's the mark on it, so it means that the SD card is not inside. So we have to grab the card and then we have to keep it like that in this position. The tray have to be on the left side, and right now we have to put it here, and then with our nail we have to press it very hard inside, and right now it jumps. And as you can see right now, there is no marker on the SD card, and it means that the card is inside. And right now, for example, we can try to start the record, and as you can see in the right upper corner, the record starts, and right now we can finish because it's only example. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.